the red planet of doom. Beneath the black mountain of Vilfield, a servant of evil stirs. Dordrak, Lord of Nightmares. So, Captain Krieg, first you failed to complete my worthy bid on time, and then you questioned my plan to capture the Dreamstone.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm very sorry, sir. I'm very sorry, sir.
You did not hold a lesson in obedience. It shall of no return. This will be your progress. Sergeant Locke. Yes, sir. You are now in charge of Operation Dreamstone. There will be no delays, no excuses. Is that clear? Yes, sir. Now, my algorithms, you will deliver my nightmares to everyone. Because I will have the Dreamstone. Far from the mountains of Vilfield, through the mist of Limbo, beyond the forest of the Woods, is the land of dreams. There, above the valley of the Newts, lives the old Dream Maker. Legend tells us that he was old when the moon and stars were young. Every night from his castle, he sends pleasant dreams to a sleeping world through the magical power of the Dreamstone.